Hello YouTube and welcome to the i7 first gen budget gaming build. I bought this PC in January 2019 for 150 euros. It's a HP Pavilion Elite 130 BE and the original specs are i7 860 processor, 8 gigs of DDR3 RAM. It has a Blu-ray drive and a graphics card is a GTX 260 and it also has a card reader, gigabit Ethernet and a 3 terabyte hard disk. So when I bought the PC, a couple of things were different. The Blu-ray drive was missing. The RAM wasn't 8 but 10 gigs, so that's better. The 3 terabyte hard drive wasn't there. I got a 500 gig laptop hard drive. It was just taped on the case. It was really slow, so my plan was to change it. And also the I/O shield is missing. It's aesthetic, but nah, not that bad. Also the card reader is gone, but more or less it's a really good PC. So let's check this PC out. I replaced 3 RAM sticks to get the maximum 16 gigabytes of RAM. I also replaced the graphics card. It's a GTX 1050 Ti. The previous owner replaced the power supply for a 580 watts and I replaced the hard drive for an SSD and a Crucial MX 500. Now let's see this PC in action. Let's run Cinebench R20. All in all, this computer did really well. A pass mark score of 882. It's better than i5 5th generation. It's a laptop CPU, but still better. So that's a good score. Now let's do some games. GTA 5 1080p, very high, runs on an average of 60 FPS. It's really good gameplay, so that's good for a 10-year-old computer. Now let's play some CSGO. This is from a casual Dust 2 match. Frame rates jump around between 100 and 200 FPS, but no stuttering. It's a really good gameplay. Thank you for watching my video. Now you see, you don't need much money to have a good gaming computer. Maybe not the latest AAA titles, but some games like GTA 5 or CSGO or World of Warcraft I play a lot. Really good PC for it. Please subscribe, like the video, or if you didn't like it, dislike it. Goodbye.